Hi guys, in today's video I do my own take on a rainbow makeup look. Well, to me it kind of turned out more of like a fun summer sunset look. Hope you like what you see and you love it. At first I wasn't happy with how it turned out, and then throughout the makeup process it turned out better than I thought. So if you like what you see, then please keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna start out with the Louise base in Rumor 1. So we're going to start out with that first. And this is the Real Techniques brush. It's like a buffing brush. So like I said in my last video, I prefer to do my eyes first because it prevents fallout from hitting and ruining your foundation and concealer and all your face makeup, and then you would have to wipe it and start over. So it's just best to do your eyes first. Looking good. We're going to be using the ABH Norvina collection, volume 3, and this is my favorite one out of all of them. I didn't buy all of them because they were a little expensive, but this one stood out to me the most. I feel like in any palette that I personally own, I never seen a color story quite like this, and I feel like you could do a lot of really cool fun looks. The first color that we're going to use is E4, which is that yellow right here, and we're gonna place it in the inner corners and always tap off the excess. I only have 2 palettes with a yellow, so I just gotta kind of make do with what I have. So I have the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. I took the yellow in this palette, which is Soul. So I took this yellow, and it showed up for the most part, so like I said, we'll make do with what we have. We're going to take is A5, which is this nice orange right here. So that's going to be our next color. So next color will be C2. Basically, we're doing the warmer colors on top, and then we're gonna do the cooler tone colors on the bottom. I think I'm gonna take this brush that I laid down the Louise base with, and I'm gonna blend it all together. With mixing a lot of colors like this, you always want to go back in with your brushes and then re-enhance the colors, because sometimes you use the pigment when you're blending them all together. I'm going to use my Melt Cosmetics palette, this really nice palette, this bluish color. I don't know, I'm debating between this one or the darker one, but I think I'm going to try the lighter one for now and see how it goes. That's going to be for the lower lash line. I think what I'm also going to do, I think I might add some shimmer to spicing it up, and I'm going to blend it more, of course. And next we're going to do green. I'm going to go back to the Norvina palette. This is interesting. I'm going to use color E1. Guys, I think I might try this one. Because so many people do different kind of rainbow eye looks, and I love seeing people's different interpretations of it. I personally, I've been wearing makeup for years, and I actually just never did a rainbow eye look. I usually just do, oh, I'm gonna do these couple of colors, I'm gonna do those couple of colors, you know, or a certain kind of look. The later future video, there is like a pink and purple shimmery eye look I want to do for you guys. So that I'm gonna do in a later video, and for my next video, I'm thinking of either doing a skincare video, an update like my personal skincare that I do, or I do have a package coming in the mail of clothes that I bought, so next video will either be a skincare video or a fashion haul video, one of those. If anything, those will be the next 2 videos, and then eventually another makeup video. That way I could change it up for you guys every now and then. Next thing we are going to do, I'm going to use my Roller Lash by Benefit. I like this mascara. I haven't used it in a little while. So the lashes we are using, that I actually really like these. They're more casual, but since we're doing like a really eye-popping look, I wanted to use a more casual lash. So these are from the Sephora collection, Luxe False Lash is what they look like. I really like them, and they have a thick band, so it kind of looks like you're wearing eyeliner, but you're not. Okay, so we're gonna take our lash and our lash glue, our Lilly Lashes glue. And you want to apply a thin layer, but you also, if you want the ends to properly stick on and not come up, because ends like to do that, you put a little extra on the ends. It's definitely a good trick I learned over the years. So this is a combination I've been using for a little while now, and it's the Youth to the People Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream. So I'm gonna start out with this first. Okay, now that's all blended in. Now the next thing we're going to use is our Ole Henriksen Schutzy Rush Brightening Gel Cream, which is this. And we're going to apply that all over the face as well. And I love the smell of this. It smells like sherbet. So doing Chloe. That's what I like. For the under eye, we're gonna take the Ole Henriksen Truth Banana Bright Eye Cream, which is this. With applying anything under the eye, especially with the cream, you want to take your ring finger and dab it on gently. The skin under the eye is very thin and light, and you want to be very sweet and gentle with it. So the skincare is done. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in 160C, and I'm going to apply it to my beauty sponge. And we're going to go right in. Now I'm going to switch the sponge to the other side to get in like the corners. So right now I'm letting the lashes halfway dry, and then I will apply them for now until they dry enough to be applied. Yeah, I'm going to take my Morphe M224 brush. It's a flat brush right here. And to get into these crevices, I like to use this brush. So I'm going to apply it to the brush like that. Basically like the spots you can't get with a certain brush, or you can't get to with a blender. So use a flat brush to really get in there. Alright, now we're gonna move on to concealer, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. Now, blend. Nice and blended. Ooh, and look at that glow. Alright, wish me luck. Alright, this one I might wait a little longer on. So in the meantime, that's drying a little bit, we shall bronze. And I'm gonna use my butter bronzer by Physicians Formula. You guys see me use this in my last video. It's my big go-to bronzer. Okay, actually let's put on the other lash first. Wow, both went on better than I thought. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna use this little Morphe blush trio that I have. Looks like that. So we're gonna use the middle one called Fearless. I'm gonna use my Morphe brush. And then we're gonna smile. And now the other cheek. Oh, look at that nice flush of color. Okay, so I'm gonna try this blue shimmer from the Norvina Volume 3 palette. The color's called B1. So I'm gonna smoke it underneath. Ooh, that's so pretty. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah. I'm really happy with that. Yeah. Really excited. Yeah. I'm gonna do 5. Alright. Take my flat brush. Ooh. Oh my god. So this is one of my favorite combinations I like using together. And that's the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick called On Mute. This color. And this color is called Summer Vibes lip gloss. I really like adding this gloss on top of it because it has such a really nice shimmer that adds to it, and we did add some shimmer to the eyes. And now, my favorite part, the highlight. So with the highlight, we're using our Fenty Beauty. Like, how can you not use Fenty Beauty? It's one of the best companies or brands that I love when it comes to highlight. Alright, so I'm gonna use my Morphe X Jaclyn Hill highlighting brush, and we're gonna go into Hustler Baby. I mean, you could kind of tell that I use this highlight quite often. And here we go. I mean, come on guys, like, so good. So the last thing is our setting spray. My favorites is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and we're gonna spray our face and set our makeup. nice, beautiful, glowing skin, just the way I like it. Alright guys, that was today's video. I hope you liked it. Here's my, I don't know if I'm gonna even call this rainbow look or like a nice tropical look, but we'll see. Like, this is perfect for spring or summer. And like I said, I really hope you guys liked it. Hope you enjoyed this video. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.